Hello everyone, welcome back to Shiba Inu bull run, which has been confirmed due to the leak of Shib news today. The Shiba Inu community is undoubtedly happy with the Shib's performance in January, but as the month draws to an end, a sense of uncertainty has returned to the market, especially regarding its performance in February. The upcoming FOMC meeting will probably have the biggest impact on Shibu holders' portfolios, so it's important to have a good understanding of what the FOMC meeting entails. We'll enable holders of Shibu to comprehend how it affects their portfolio more clearly. In this video, we'll talk about the Shiba Inu bull run, which has now been confirmed due to this leak. Shib news today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest content without delay. The meetings take place once every 3 weeks, and one of the main highlights is the revision of the federal fund rate. Now let's start the video. The federal fund rate is used by the Federal Reserve to maintain economic equilibrium. A lower rate makes borrowing more affordable, facilitating better access to liquidity and consequently a more favorable climate for investment. Conversely, a higher rate deters people from borrowing and discourages investment. The federal fund rate was Shiba Inu, and the rest of the market saw a bullish surge following the most recent FOMC meeting because the FED only raised interest rates by 0.5% or 50 basis points, as opposed to 0.75% or 75 basis points in the previous month's announcement. This was also accompanied by reports that the FED saw success in combating inflation. The next FOMC meeting is scheduled for January 31 and February 1. There is speculation that the FED will hike the FFR by 25 basis points. If this turns out to be accurate, it could reinforce the bullish sentiment and lead to fresh buying pressure for the SHIB. This would enable it to break through the resistance at the 0.123 price level that we have been seeing over the past few days. If a rally occurs, investors in Shiba should expect the price to rise by as much as 14% to the next Fibonacci resistance line. If the rate hike is higher than that, however, it might mislead investors and cause another sell-off for the stock. Inu could be headed for a 10% or more decline, which would bring it back to or below its 200-day moving average. On occasion, the market moves before the official FOMC minutes are announced. According to some theories, this is because certain market participants may have privileged access, enabling them to respond appropriately, because those in privileged positions are aware of the Fed's rate decision before it is formally announced. Interestingly, though price volatility has slightly increased in the last few days, there may be another surge on the horizon due to the FOMC data. While Shinu's weighted sentiment metric has slightly increased over the last 2 days, this may indicate that optimism is returning to the market. However, this is not necessarily a confirmation that investors anticipate another surge, especially now that expectations are leaning towards a 25 basis point hike. Could lead to increased trading activity this week. Exchange flows also show a comparable result. There is still plenty of time for a bearish pivot, particularly if the FOMC decides to go with a higher rate hike than expected now that the official data is out. The supply on exchanges has decreased significantly over the past few days, while the opposite is true for the supply outside exchanges. Investors and traders might take advantage of the next trend, which will present chances for quick profits. Benzinga looked at the future prospects of a number of investors' top stocks from the previous week. Wall Street's optimistic outlook for 2023 persisted this week, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq driving higher. The Dow Industrials gained 1.81%, the S&P 500 increased by 2.47%, and the Nasdaq closed the week 4.32% higher on Thursday. The Department of Commerce brought us to their attention. In the fourth quarter, GDP increased 2.9%, exceeding economists' projections of a 2.6% gain on Friday. The personal consumption expenditures price index increased by 5% in December, according to the Bureau of Economic Analysis, after increasing by 5.5% in November. Below the 5.5% rise predicted by economists, two of the best meme cryptocurrencies are Doge and Shib. Doge is a cryptocurrency that was established as a joke in 2013 but has since amassed a sizable following. Both have had extreme price volatility and should be regarded as high-risk investments. Shib is a token on the Ethereum blockchain and is a part of the Shiba Inu project. The earliest recognized meme coin, dogecoin, has been around for a while and has had frequent huge price declines and rallies brought on by speculative investments. Since we are still in the early stages of the project's development, the risk is higher than the potential profits like other meme coins. It is also possible that the Shiba Inu failed or saw only minor price increases in 2023. The Shiba Inu coin has a higher risk but potentially higher reward than the Dogecoin since the meme coins are considered extremely risky investment. The Shiba Inu has risen more than Dogecoin during this time. The CEO of financial business Cyber Capital, Dogecoin, claims that the meme token with a medical theme, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin Doge, are two of the most decentralized digital assets available today. Even though decentralization exists on the spectrum, the company's chief investment officer, Justin Bonds, tells his Twitter followers that only 32 of the top 50 cryptocurrencies are technically decentralized, including Doge and Shib. He draws a line in the sand and answers yes or no, stressing that what is true technically may not be true in practice. The price of the Shiba Inu is cooling down after an impressive first leg up to start the new year. According to Wales statistics, the price of the Shiba Inu has taken on a new meaning as the digital currency has increased by 60% since January 1. The most popular Ethereum token and smart contract is called Shiba Inu. Wales' Shiba Inu has been the subject of intense rumor since the release of the Shibarium beta. Lead Shibu creator Shoshi Kusama teases the February 14th, Valentine's Day, Shibarium launch. Wales is selling Shibu till December, but they have already bought Shibainu, the most popular smart contract that the top Ethereum users have purchased during the Shibarium debut. Wales' SHIB price has increased by 2% in the last day to trade at 0.124. Given that the launch of Shibarium is likely to generate interest in Shiba Inu, there is much to be excited about with the new Layer 2 blockchains, including faster transaction times, greater scalability, and lower costs. It is possible that Shiba Inu could still move much higher in the months to come. The laws of supply and demand apply to cryptocurrencies just as they do to physical goods. If the supply of SHIB tokens is significantly reduced while demand at least remains at the same level, the price will rise, according to Fimble. SHIB was the third most watched cryptocurrency last year, indicating that people are still interested in SHIB. However, Binance has not explained why it decided to remove the coin. Although State Shiba's low liquidity is to fault, Binance should be much more concerned about the exchange's withdrawal from a last-minute deal to save FTX and the rumors around the exchange's future. That's all for now. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to watch our most recent material. Rose Binance has nevertheless announced mass hirings, indicating that they're still devoted to corporate expansion regardless of how contentious this is among investors.